Check out our newest feature release. This one is about tap to pay. So what exactly is tap to pay? Well, introducing tap to pay for POS collections, revolutionizing your payment experience with swift and secure transactions via compatible contactless options. Guys, I feel like that is a really complicated way to say you can now do tap to pay with your phone system when you're out on location to have people simply pay. Why this matters and how it's going to help your business. This is going to allow you to effortlessly complete point of sale transactions with tap to pay. It's going to simplify checkouts by tapping customers' compatible cards or their smartphones. Ensure financial information protection through cutting-edge encryption technology. Wow. I'm excited for this new feature. There are so many possibilities. If it's not for retail stores, restaurants, if you are a service provider and you're out on location, this really simplifies everything. So this relates specifically to the mobile app, and this is where you're going to access point of sale. Once you've accessed the point of sale area in the mobile app, you're going to enter the transaction amount and the sale details. Now important, this is just a quick little reminder, you need to make sure you have your payment integrations set up. So let's go ahead and configure your app location. Let's make sure everything is set up properly, that you've got it all in place. Now go ahead and utilize the connection prompt. Once you connect, you're going to see that it's connecting to the reader. You also have the ability to customize your tipping options. So tipping can be included in this. Once they go ahead and pay, you're going to get a notice saying that things have been successful. So just to give you a little bit of information about supported devices, this works on all Android devices with an NFC capability running on Android 8 OS or later. And for iPhone users, this works on the iPhone XS or later, running iOS 16 or later within the US. And this is really important. Tap to pay won't work on beta iOS releases. You need to have an update to the latest OS for optimal performance. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help.